Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my Ofe Onugbu. So guys, let me quickly introduce my ingredients to you so we can get cooking. So right here, I have some already washed bitter leaf, which is also known as Onugbu. I have 4 cocoyams. If you don't have cocoyam, you can substitute that with quicken oats. I have 2 Maggi cubes, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, which you can adjust to your taste. I have some frozen ogiri right here, which I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the ogiri, some palm oil, grinded crayfish, and salt to taste. So guys, I'm also going to be dropping the full list of all these ingredients on the description box so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. So guys, right here I have my already washed beef, which I'm using some tribes, which is known as shaki, some fresh beef, stockfish, some chicken, and other assorted meat I have here. So guys, you can go ahead and use any meat of your choice on this recipe. Right now, I'll add in my 2 Maggi cubes. I'll add in just half a teaspoon of salt. And I'll add in some water and stir this up together and start cooking. So after covering my pot of meat and allow it to cook, I'll go ahead and get another pot and add in my already washed cocoyam. You have to make sure that you wash your cocoyam thoroughly, or you can go ahead and peel it before boiling it. So I'll wash it and set enough water and cover it up to start cooking. And right here is my already washed bitter leaf. Right now, I'll blend my 2 Scotch bonnet peppers and I will transfer it into my meat on the fire so it will start cooking. So at this point, the meat have been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'll go ahead right now and add in the blended Scotch bonnet pepper and add enough water for the soup to cook. After adding in the water, I will stir this up together and allow the beef to keep on cooking until it cooks completely. So right now the beef have been cooking. I'll go ahead and add in my already pre-cooked cow foot. So I'll add in the cow foot at this moment so it will cook also with the other part of the meat. At this point, my cocoyam is well cooked. You can see how my knife is going to come out easily after pressing the cocoyam. So guys, at this point, you know that your cocoyam is ready. I'll go ahead right now and start taking off the peel of the cocoyam. And when I'm done peeling the cocoyam, I'll go ahead and blend it with some water using my blender. But if you have a little pesto in your house, I would advise that you use it to mash this cocoyam so it gets softened and smooth. As I said earlier, if you can't get your hands on any cocoyam, you can go ahead and blend some cocoa oats and use it as a thickener for your Ofe Onugbu, okay? So right now, I'll blend this cocoyam into a smooth paste and set this aside. So after blending my cocoyam, I'll go ahead right now and start adding in my ingredients into my pot. So I will start by adding in 1 teaspoon of ogiri. This ogiri is going to give your Ofe Onugbu a very nice taste and turn this soup into another level. I bet you guys you need ogiri for your Ofe Onugbu. So I will also go ahead and add in my grinded crayfish. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydiaisaac TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon that goes with it so you will never miss any uploads from me. At this moment, I'll go ahead and start scooping in my already grinded cocoyam. But if you did add a lot of water to blend your cocoyam, it's going to come out running, of which you don't have any problem with that. Just go ahead and pour in the running cocoyam that you've already blended into your pot. And when you're done adding in your cocoyam, go ahead and add in your palm oil, which I'm going to be using just about a cup of oil. I'll cover this up and allow the oil to cook properly, and also allow the cocoyam to dissolve. So at this point, the oil have cooked properly. I'll go ahead right now and add in my already washed bitter leaf. And when I'm done adding in my bitter leaf, I would stir this up together and cover it up and allow it to. Yes guys, so I will cover it up and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes more. And after 20 minutes, my soup is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any recipe from this channel. And also to give this video a big thumbs up till I see you on my next recipe. So guys, at this moment my soup is ready. You can see how light it is. Yes, in about 5 to 10 minutes this soup is going to come out very thick. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Till I see you on my next recipe. To have a lovely day, to have a beautiful day. Bye bye.